The mechanical part of the electronic jacquard machine is assembled by the manufacturer of the electronic jacquard machine. In order to control assembly accuracy, similar to automotive production lines, some electronic jacquard machine manufacturers use automated production lines or robots to complete the assembly of mechanical parts. Even complete the assembly of mechanical parts in a constant temperature environment. To simulate the working environment of electronic jacquard machines in weaving factories. Of course, it is also necessary to propose technical requirements for the working environment of the weaving factory. Most electronic jacquard machine manufacturers do not have sufficient technical conditions and means, and use manual assembly. A. Unable to control assembly accuracy. B. Unable to simulate the working environment of a weaving factory. Working temperature, speed, no installation, no loom, etc. C. The electronic jacquard machine is transported to the weaving factory to complete assembly, synchronization with the weaving machine, and warp and reed insertion. The effective technical work mainly lags behind the debugging of electronic jacquard machines in weaving factories. C1. The working environment of the electronic jacquard machine has been determined. Working temperature, working speed, fabric and load, etc. On the other hand, once the work environment changes, it is necessary to complete the relevant technical work again. For example, adjust the booking value, knife. For details, please refer to the booking value, knife, for the height of lifting, knife of the electronic jacquard machine. C2. The initial state of the electronic jacquard machine. No fabric issues. There may be mechanical impact issues, which can shorten the service life of electronic jacquard machines. C3. Usually, engineers from electronic jacquard machine manufacturers who complete debugging in weaving factories better understand the advantages of this model of electronic jacquard machine. Know better which shortcomings need improvement? Unfortunately, they usually do not have a say. They may be the engineers with the highest technical level, or the fastest growing engineers in electronic jacquard machine manufacturers. But they did not realize it. After completing the acceptance of the electronic jacquard machine, it enters the use stage. It is taken over by the engineer of the weaving factory or a third-party engineer. Weaving factories expect the service life of electronic jacquard machines to be as long as possible. For example, expectations typically exceed a few years, or a decade, even decades. That is to say, the higher the value of electronic jacquard machines, the better. In order to achieve the desired goals of the weaving factory. One. Engineers in the use stage of electronic jacquard machines need to continuously improve their technical level. One effective method is to make full use of free tool software. The tool software has at least 10 years of technical expertise in the field of electronic Jacquard machines. For details, please refer to the main goals of free tool software and a method for quickly improving the technical level of electronic Jacquard machine engineers. 2. Establish a medical record and case for each electronic Jacquard machine to better maintain the electronic Jacquard machine. Please refer to the relevant videos for details. We will provide free technical support. Please send me all the real-time online detection data of this Jacquard machine. It's best to send me real-time online historical detection data in bulk through free tool software. I will interpret these real-time online detection data, propose suggestions and work with engineers to solve the current problem with this Jacquard machine. In the process of solving problems, we also learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.